I will take 10-15 minutes time to prepare one mood board. Scandinavian kitchen image এ গেলাম, সে সিম্পল ওকে, দিস ব্ল্যাক কনসেপ্ট ইজ ওকে, ঠিক আছে, এটাই, বা স্ক্যান্ডিনেভিয়ান অ্যাকচুয়ালি এই হোয়াইটের এই কনসেপ্টটাও যাবে, ঠিক আছে, আমি এটা নেব। ধরো এটাকে জাস্ট এখান থেকে আমি কপি বা সেভ ইমেজ করলাম, কপি ইমেজ করলাম। I'll just open up one paint brush, paste it, file, এটাকে আমি সেভ অ্যাজ করে রাখছি আমার কোথাও একটা ফোল্ডার বানাই, দাঁড়াও, নিউ ফোল্ডার, মাই কিচেন, সে আই এম ক্রিয়েটিং আ কিচেন কনসেপ্ট and in that I have created a folder. Now in my kitchen I am going to save this. This is the main theme, okay, so I can save it as Scandinavian theme kitchen. You need to do a little bit work on that. Let me just save it as JPEG. Save. Okay, done. Now let it be like that. Now let us go to here, Scandinavian lighting equipments. You got lots of Scandinavian lights, right? So now from light, maybe I will pick up one light. Let's see, this kind of lighting I want to go. Again, I will copy this image, and I think these images are single and direct. So I don't need to copy and go to image file again or paintbrush. What I can do, I can directly do a save as from here also. I'll save this image, or maybe no, better to copy. Why I'm telling you, see, there are some emboss. You don't want to show that one, right? So let me copy the image, go to paint, paste again, the portion which you require, say I require this much, crop it and save it as JPEG, Scandinavian lights. Again, you go to Scandinavian dining chairs or color scheme. See, color palette has come, so you can choose one. Let me choose this one, is okay, fine, fantastic. Or I have taken something similar to this, so let me take this one. Now this I can save image as in my kitchen color scheme. I need a swan neck tap. What else? I need a furniture, so maybe
Furniture.
Scandinavian. Yes, Scandinavian, the element wise I am going, you understand. Most of the countertops are light color, can you see? So from this, what I can go to some granite countertop, need not to be Scandinavian. I can go to countertop granites. Let us choose something from catalog, or let me choose something like this, whitish, this one. This I can choose as a countertop. I can save this image as countertop material or granite, save. Then I can go for a flooring, vitrified tiles you can get. See, this kind of colors, so I can go for a vitrified tile, this kind of thing, or I can choose something from catalog. It's better to have a catalog. Okay, this is nice. Say I'm just taking anything, man, I don't know what is finally what it is going to be like that. Let me take this one, wooden type, then save this as flooring material. I need some chairs, dining chairs. I have written Scandinavian, so it should give me something. See, this one is Scandinavian, this one is okay, fine, so I can go with this. I'll save this image as chairs or furnitures. And in modular accessories, there is nothing called Scandinavian. So you can just directly go to modular accessories for kitchen. I'm not going to take all, but just to match, maybe I'll take this cabinet and this inside this thing. This is very nice. So let me take this one, save image as for cabinet. Then let us find out something lower cabinet. This can be the drawer concept, or this is the cutlery trays and all. You can just find select anyone. Okay, this one, let me take this one as lower cabinet drawers. Save image as lower cabinet drawers. Let me take one matching kitchen sink. Yes, this will go with our Scandinavian style. Let me take this black one, or different colors are also available. If you get, just go through a little bit. Maybe this brown is also okay. See, some files will come which you cannot download or save. So either you can avoid those kind of thing, or you can find out a different one. This is nice, this one. Now you go and click on this, you will get the views. Okay, now you see there is a emboss. That is the problem, you are unable to take this one. So how to take this one? I want to take this one only. I will take a print screen or screenshot of this. The whole thing will not come because there are certain things. Screenshot. Then now let's go back to this paint file, paste it. Then let me select as much as portion I can take from this. Just you should be able to understand that what I want to take, crop it, save it. We need a tap, swan neck tap. Now see here with this sink, this tap will go. So there is no need to take an additional tap because this is matching with this, right? Or if you want to take a separate tap, then again we can click on some other, maybe this kind of brown kind of thing or something, or we can take a separate kitchen tap. Now find out your color, because these are not, the steel color is not going with our design, right? You have to match also.
This one, ma'am.
This one can go, this one can go, yes.
Uh-huh.
No, I'm trying to find out something in brown. Copper will not do. This is nice, something different. We can pick up this, okay? Save image as tap, done. We have taken lot more. Now what to do? You just go back and open up a PowerPoint, or you can take a Word file in a landscape mode. I can choose a theme. Okay, this is nice. Let me take this one. Now I can shift the title anywhere. What should I write? Concept for my kitchen. I'll take 24, 28 is good enough, or maybe maximum 36. And this I will keep for other things. Okay, let me have this. You bring all the, insert all the images. Insert picture, this device, my kitchen, all has come, right? Now, what else you need to do? You just need to organize this thing. This is upper cabinet, try to keep it on up. This is tap, so make it small. This is sink, maybe this size. This is the main kitchen, maybe this size. This you can remove. Lights, lower cabinets, lower cabinet drawers, floor, countertop. Yes, this is the color. So let me bring this color here and let us create some, and now just organize. Yes, this is my main kitchen. Lights, lower cabinets, tap, sink. Sink is visible, granite top is visible, and this furniture. Let me bring it front. That's all. Anything? See, what you need to do, you need to copy this and write whatever you want to write. Here you need to write upper cabinets. Now we have plenty of text. Right here, Scandinavian theme, kitchen. Take another one. Color palette. Take another one. Floor tile. All the things, you write down lower cabinet over here. Wherever it is more visible, you go and write it down like lower cabinets. These are, or drawers, modular accessories, or whatever, you bring more and more this thing and write down accordingly. So you will get, and you write this one as chair, write this one as sink, write this one as tap, whatever. So you write and finish, and you can just check how it is looking. You go to this presentation mode. See, this is your concept board. So how much I have taken time? Now it is complete. Now, as this is your main theme, you can copy some more. As I said that, copy this as the countertop. Copy this as a countertop. Write down here, granite countertop. Done. Maximum tap and whatever you want to write, you complete this, write down the sink, and then you increase the size of this text a little bit, maybe 24, and bring it in same line. So countertop, you place it here. Okay, nice, fine, thank you. And you can write this thing over here. See, these are the, you have to have a very good observation power, so that, and you can see, once you go back and check with this, this, see, when I'm writing this, the paragraph is very, it is not as we like to see. So what you can do, you can copy and paste so that you can have, yes, good, done. And this is your tab, this is your lighting accessories, everything you can do. You can add up some more, you can have some small things. If you reduce the size, then you can have the this thing. right? Okay.
Okay.
Good. So you can, yes, you can have a very nice view over here. Now, simply what you can do, I'll tell you once, one more thing. You are supposed to submit it to me. So what will you do? You will just file, you will do export and create a PDF, or you can create a handout or create a PDF. So you create a PDF, concept of my kitchen. Where is my directory? My kitchen, save, publish. Okay. So let me just go back and check what happened. Where is my kitchen? My kitchen. Yes. This is the PDF. I made it in front of you in 10-12 minutes. Okay, and I'm going to upload this part of video as my YouTube video, right? Good.